All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So cuff links. So yeah, cufflinks. Here we are. A small item used to keep sleeves together at the wrist. Yeah. So cufflinks. So they keep the sleeves together at the wrist. So here's the wrist. Here's the sleeve. And the cufflinks help keep the sleeve together. Yeah. I need to use cufflinks. Cufflinks are quite fashionable. Yeah. They are wearing nice cufflinks. It is a good pair of cufflinks. Yeah. She likes it when I wear gold cufflinks. He only uses golden cufflinks. Yeah. I am wearing some cufflinks now. So a cufflink here and the cufflink here. So we fasten this sleeve at the wrist. Yeah, so I need cufflinks. Well, let's get this right. What's going on here? Yeah. Oh. Wow, here we are. Oh. Wow, I need cufflinks. Almost. Wow. Oh, wow. Harder than I thought. What's going on here? All right, sorted. Yes. How cool is that? So I need cufflinks. Yeah. We have a nice collection of cufflinks. I don't need cufflinks on this shirt because there are buttons. There are buttons. Buttons. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? They always had spare cufflinks. Yeah. I have some spare cufflinks that you can use if you need them. If you need them. Yeah. I'm putting my cufflinks on now. Yeah, but I don't need cufflinks. But I very rarely wear cufflinks. Very rarely wear cufflinks. How cool is that? Yeah. We will find some more cufflinks. Yeah. If the buttons don't work, then we can use cufflinks instead. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Cufflinks instead. Yeah. Very good. Cufflinks. So, can you use cufflinks in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.